Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulasa make check but play ke Digital Learning Lab jong ke Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute mati rangkat ke jingdan lang Director General ke mati uba Cyril Vidi Dengdo but Director ke mati uswa penil tembe but kibai-kibai. Habakran ke jinglang Menteri Rangba ulai kublai ke mati ro ke jing penlong ya ke jinglang ba ulong bagalong ke senjam ke badan buram but ke bakongsan. Ban play klenti syakathong banyo ag jing job agi competitive exam ke UPSC bat kibai-kibai. Ulong ba kejela kam dunai ke bran sap mendawla pentip bakru kom tre kam ban sei kin gisap rengkat lang ba kejing ai ya kejing pen ilenti ba kejing kersyan kam shimla dan satya bar ula kedawi kejing job jong star program ki kamel akai ke itu agi nohil akai ke betebet ya na padang kilai po hajar ngut ki samla da kejing temu ban sei ki nohil akai ke betebet tam ki bala benekop hagari bat shabar kari rukum jo bat ban pen kelai kejing im juga nang ilakai da kejing temu benyo kita kemah hak olimpik apa agasnam arhajar lai pun rio ulong baka CM Aspire ketemu ban kersyan ki samla ki bakwa benekon ki examen UPSC banerap ki bagian pas ki examen ki kerdan bapher da ke bakadulenti ai jing hikai bat ai jing rap de kesong pisa Menteri Rangba ula penpau ke jingdan kam bantai ke dustur bansai ki boj ki batmai ki kamela kai ba keseng kam seng jam ba ke jing kersyan na ke benta ki competitive exam bat ki weki ki jing angnut.
The kind of results and the number of individuals who could have passed the UPSC and other national competitive exams could have been much higher for the state of Meghalaya. Simply because we have the kind of talent that is required. There is no dearth of talent. But as correctly mentioned by every speaker before me, the problem most likely lies in providing that ecosystem, in bringing the stakeholders together, creating the correct environment, guiding our students and the aspirants in the correct way, and helping them to be able to achieve that goal at a personal level and also the goal for us as a state. That they are converting this vision now into actionable plan and steps that we can move forward with. And obviously we realize that once we do that, we need to back it up with the full support and resources to be able to make that goal happen. And people really complain about me saying that, oh, this man gets consultants all the time. What about our officers? Aren't they competent enough? Again, we have to realize that in governance, if the particular individual was enough, then Conrad would do everything. He would write the DPR, he would move the files and implement the thing, and also he would be the one who would ultimately go to the field. And it can't work that way. Government, political leadership has a role to play. And I've explained that to you, that we create that thought process, the vision, and structure it with a policy. Our bureaucrats and officials then take that and add their, capacity into making that policy into actual actionable plans. And to be able to then look at that actionable plan into more micro detailing of getting all the world and global practices and ensuring that the system to monitor that and implement that happens requires experts that come in. And that is how things happen. And then obviously this chain keeps going on and we keep monitoring and we keep finding out things. Then Chief Minister monitors, he asks why this is happening, why this is not happening. We adapt, we make changes. Something is not working, we take it back. Something's working, we make it better. And this goes on and on and on. And that's how governance evolves. And I'll tell you why. Because hopefully you will clear that exam. And then you will be starting your life and your career not knowing what you want to do. And that's when you will get astray. I came into politics because I told myself that I want to serve the people. I told myself that I want to be able to make a difference in people's lives. I told myself that even one person, if I can help, it'll give me a sense of satisfaction. That purpose that I decided very, very long ago drives me till today. And no matter what position I am in, whether I am an MLA, whether I'm an MP, whether I lose the election and I'm just a lost candidate, or I'm Chief Minister, that is that one purpose that drives me. You need to search within your soul and ask yourself what it is. Why am I giving this exam? Please ask yourself.